Today on Bad Tree Productions, we're gonna tear down a 360 small block. So yeah, we're gonna rip this thing apart and
improve it.
See what the heck's all inside of it.
Definitely improve.
And then improve it. So what Jeremy's gonna start with is taking hoses off.
Yep.
And then we're gonna take the accessories off, all the brackets, and then we're gonna take the intake off, valve covers, heads, distributor, way before any of that.
Yes.
Just nuts and bolts.
Remember, we gotta put it on top dead center before we start
Oh yeah.
taking too much crap apart.
They're kind of nice, really.
Yeah, they are.
Tink, tink.
Clangity clang. That'll get the line and everything out of the way. Bazinga. Yeah, before we went down to...
I like to put fasteners back where they came from.
Yes.
That way there's less chance of losing it.
Got it. The old cork's held up pretty good.
Yeah. There you go.
Right there?
Yeah, feels like it.
Yeah, these are both close. Cool. I feel better now.
Yay!
There's like a tracking adjustment on the head.
I don't know. It's not that. I don't think. It won't eject it. You know, after it goes in, it doesn't come back out.
Yeah, Jeremy.
What?
You're right.
What? You didn't get to see it when it was running. It like.
Good thing to do. It only takes like an hour to pull your motor out.
Yeah.
To change, you know.
Everything.
Everything.
All right. Removing distributor. Intake.
Sure. Why not?
Correct the mundo. Somebody's gonna be wrenched. Cha-ching! Ooh, oh, that's it.
There's already dog hair on the cam.
Yeah.
Jeez. Why do, like, gearheads have to own dogs?
I don't know.
It's like some unwritten rule.
Nice. Oh, you're kidding me. It can't be good.
I
think maybe. I don't know.
You gonna whack it off? It's given.
Cool. That's a double roller. Rocker shafts and heads. Next.
Alright guys, we're going to start taking the rocker shaft off. You want to kind of do these all evenly.
Yeah, I think you start middle out, right?
Yeah. You can feel it in the wrench. Loose. Loose.
You're kidding me. What the... Dude.
What?
I don't think there's valve seals on these.
Oh, I didn't see one on that very end one.
No, right here. There's supposed to be like a little rubber umbrella.
Oh, no, let me see if they can see it. Yeah.
There.
Black.
A black rubber umbrella.
Yeah, there ain't one.
Or anywhere.
Oh, you can definitely see that one.
Mm-hmm. It's not there.
Yeah.
Huh. All right. Well.
Uncle Tony. Tips and tricks. Hand tools only. Evenly. God bless his heart. If we didn't have cool guys like him putting out content on YouTube,
Telling us what not to do.
yeah, we'd all be
What's
screwed.
more important than telling you what to do?
Unless you're super smart, unlike me and Jeremy. Because we just know enough to get by.
No shims under any of them. Cool. So I don't need to worry about the mark in the lifters because the cam comes with new ones. They look brand new.
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
You won.
Cool. Help me, help me. There it goes. Sweet. Well, there it is. Yeah, look at the oil buildup, dude.
Mm-hmm.
That thing was cheeching bad.
There we go. We got a short block.
Sweet.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for tonight. We got the 360 all tore down.
Yeah, it's just a 360. It's not bored or nothing, so it is what it is. Got some lots of cleaning to do on her. Pull the cam yet, but I think I'm gonna wait until we order the cam and lifters, so if the cam can come out, then go right back in.
Right.
I don't want it to be just hanging out for. I just want it back in there because, like I said, this isn't something I do every day or not even every year.
Cool. So we'll have to pick brains and go on forums, and
Yeah.
we're gonna do some research. And the piston's got an 818 stamp in them. I can't find really anything about it. I'm guessing they're just factory slugs. So if anybody knows what 818 stamp on a piston that looks like this is, comment down below. Until then, hit that notification bell, like, share, and subscribe.
And come on back next time, sucker.